Good morning all. Today we are talking about four-row center differential and four-row switches. How is the operation of this? In neutral or parking, we can switch on this center differential. This using the four-wheel drive for Lexus 570. This car is Lexus 570 2020 model. Actually this car always all-wheel drive, so if we go on the sand dunes, actually no need to engage the center differential because it's all-wheel drive. But some cases, if you on deep sand, we have to activate the center differential. If you want to activate this, we can simply one press it will on and one press it will off, either P or N, D, R. We can change this switches position on or off. So if I one time press, what will happen? We'll see the cluster. There is no signs of that. I'm going to press now. I pressed. There is light comes on. Now we can drive the car up to 60 or 100 kilometers per hour, even in the sand dunes. So this is the switch. So if with this one we can turn on the four-row. Normally H4 we are using to drive in normal roads. L4 to if we in the sand, something like we sing in the sand, you have to escape from there. What do you have to do? L4. Either we have to first use this one, then we cannot escape, so we going to use this one. So currently there is no other warnings. I'm just pushing from H4 to L4, but in this case we should put car in neutral position. Other anything it will not work. Either P or neutral, should be neutral, and we push down. See, push down and pull it to back. See, the warnings are in the cluster. Four-row warning, BSC, and center differential. And another warning comes on this one. This crowd control. Actually this crowd control, this switch, you have to press it on or off. But in this on when it's on, you have to put reverse or D or reverse. Either you have to, we can use. I will switch on the crowd control right now. See, the light is crowd control is active. So, and crowd control is active. Then downside there is one speed. We can change the speed. I am changing the speed. The switch is this one. In crowd control, we active four-row and we trying to escape from the mud with a 1500 rpm. 1500 rpm or 1800 rpm. We put the D and we trying to escape from the mud. More acceleration, don't do it. 1800 2000 rpm, you have to keep it maintained, and turn the steering this side and this side. Don't think we can escape very easily. It will go very slowly move, and we can escape from the mud. After escape from the mud, we have to switch it off to L4 to H4. That's the first thing we have to do. Don't drive with the L4. So if in case you are not escape and still you want to use crowd control, or in the rocks we have to use the crowd control, you should first activate L4, then only crowd switch on and off. I just off and I make it on now. So no, so the speed is this one. So we cannot accelerate in crowd control using time. This switch on time we cannot accelerate. No need brake also. The speed can control by this. We have to use only steering control only. The brake and acceleration prohibited. Itself it will drive. So how to return back from the L4? Now you activate this one. I'm going to deactivate. One time press only, it's deactivated. Now I'm going to L4 switch off. Press and back. See, it comes if I'm using D4, D drive. So it's wrong thing, that's why it's malfunction. So what I do, I return back, I push it in neutral. So whenever you use this, any changes from here to there, you should put the gear in neutral. No other gears cannot work with this. So now I'm going to pull it to H4. See, all the lights are gone. I am going to switch off the center differential. Switch off. Okay. If sometime when switching off it will not work, so just move forward and reverse and full turn to left, 360 degree drive, and reverse return 360 left and right you do. Then make it straight. Whenever the switches of this and this you do, steering will be in straight position. It could be better to smooth changing. Got it? So this one and this. You know about this one easy turn. When we are in crowd control or we are in crowd control, you have to turn prohibited. Left or right turn is prohibited. So with this switch we can easily turn.